Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I created a speed or time versus speed Excel sheet. This is going to tell you not to speed. There is no reason to speed ever again. For one, it's not worth it. And two, it's not worth it. Meaning, when I say worth it, it's not worth the time or the chance of getting a ticket. Now, if you look carefully up here, most distances you travel are about 15 miles away, give or take. So you're going to work, and then you got to speed to get there on time. Well, if you're traveling 65 miles an hour, say you're in New Jersey speed limit is 65 miles an hour. You have to travel 15 miles, okay? You'll get there in just about 14 minutes, okay? If you travel 75 miles an hour, you'll get there in 12 minutes, just under 2-minute difference. That's it. That's all you save. It's under 2 minutes travel, and then the risk of 10 miles an hour of getting a nasty ticket. Now, nobody travels the speed limit in New York, so it's 55 miles an hour, 15 miles. You get run off the road if you actually travel 55 miles an hour. And if you actually did that, and then you decided to speed to 75 miles an hour, you'll save just about 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Hardly worth, again, speeding at all. And the chances of you getting caught are probably very, very high. So, that said, let's go to 65 miles an hour, which is about what the police officers do not pull you over. And I believe actually 70 miles an hour would be the new one in New York. And the Long Island Expressway seems to be 70 miles an hour is the new 65 miles an hour, or I should say the new 55 is now 70 on Long Island Expressway. And if you're speeding above 70 miles an hour and you go to 75, they'll definitely pull you over for that. And that's not even a minute difference. So let's say you go 80 miles an hour. You save 1.6 minutes. That's it. So it's hardly even remotely necessary to speed at all, especially if you're traveling 15 miles. Now, let's increase this to, let's say you're going on a long trip. No traffic. Let's say we're going to travel, I don't know, 500 miles. And we're going to go 75 miles an hour. In this instance, you will save just about an hour, or just over an hour, 61 minutes if you're traveling 500. But you got to be traveling 75 miles an hour nonstop for 500 miles to save 61 minutes, or just about an hour. This is the only time where it's actually really necessary, if it is warranted and the speed limit is there. At 10 miles an hour more, you'll save this. But only when you're traveling a long distance. So when you're traveling only, say 35 miles, you're going from Nassau County to Suffolk County. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Don't speed.